What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO Stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we got this movement to the upside that pretty much identical to this line that I drew on my previous video. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you the detailed recap of the NIO day of 2023. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. As I already mentioned, I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we have another chance to hit higher targets, and we might break the ranges of resistance that this asset set up just a couple of weeks and even months ago. And here from this point, I've told you that it is very risky to enter your long position because most likely we will have another leg to the downside that will unload the entire movement from this swing low to the highest point, and it established the highest point right at the edge of $9 mark. And here you can see how technical this asset is, and let me remind you that previously I've told you that from this very point you can accumulate your position all the way down with the stop loss slightly below $7 mark, and we have two legs to the downside. And as you can see, these lines it was drawn by me back in the days, and this asset respects these lines pretty good. As you can see, it broke, it had first of all the reaction from this level of $7.2, then broke it to the downside, and right before the next session it broke all the resistances and hit this sloping line as another range of resistance, collected some steam, bounced out of this yellow line and broke it to the downside with an increase in volume. And this is the pure technical movements. And if you want to know more about this type of price action, feel free to join my Patreon account. The link you can find in the description below, where you can enhance your trading skills. And on top of that, for the first 100 patrons, I will give you a present. I will do a technical analysis on your demand. Any ticker that you want, I will do it for you. So just join my Patreon account. So let's continue with the fundamental news. What is the main news for this asset, and what news was the driver and might be the potential driver of its price action? Definitely it is a NIO day that took place just less than 1 day ago, and here you can see a very thorough breakdown and a very thorough recap of this NIO day. And let me quote you this in details. So NIO holds the annual NIO Day on December 23rd. NIO Day is a yearly event usually happening at the end of the year, where NIO introduces new products into its portfolio. This time NIO is expected to unveil an ultra-luxurious sedan ET9, a new NT3 platform, and an in-house developed chip. And here you can see the timeline, and this is the presentation that was made by William Lee, NIO's CEO. And let me quote one by one. There is no youth without regrets. Lee talks about the NIO charity projects and Clean Peaks environmental activities. Next one, NIO opened 71 power journey routes covering 56,000 kilometers, and this is the highest number that any other company has. Next one, NIO Power Charger 4.0 with ultra-fast charging capability, peak power 640 kilowatt-hour. And here you can see the screenshot of this power charger station, and definitely it is the highest, it has the highest numbers than any other chargers, even if you compare it with the Tesla's supercharger. So next one, NIO announced building 1,000 power swap stations in 2023, and Lee said that goal was fulfilled yesterday. And I have to say that this is a very important step towards the availability of the swap stations, at least in China, in their main market. but in general, they also built this power station all across the Europe, for example. Next one. Lee talks about battery swap stations. Full charge takes only 3 minutes. NIO provided a total of 160,000 battery upgrades. Editor comment. For example, a user has 75 kWh battery and upgrades it to 100 kWh battery for a weekend. Next one, Power Station 4.0 unveiled. And here we can see some data and the screenshot basically of this next generation of their power station. And this station also has the highest numbers. Next one, PPS 4.0 available from April 2024. Plan to build 1000 PSSs next year. This will bring the total amount of PSS in China to 3,310 units. NIO also plans to build 20,000 public chargers and bring the total number to 40,000 units. NIO ET9 on stage. And here you can see the picture of this vehicle, and here you can see some specifications of this vehicle. ET9 is 5.3 meters long, over 2 meter wide and 1.62 meter in height. Leading in executive flagship segment. 23 inches wheels, jet-inspired active spoiler, wide-angle side LiDAR, enhancing side-facing sensing capabilities, 4-seater. And here's a couple of pictures. If you want to see more pictures, you can Google it in the internet, or you can find the article, more thorough article, completely dedicated to this vehicle in cnevpost.com. And I have to say that this vehicle is quite impressive. It looks completely different than the main competitor that NIO stated, and Maybach has completely different body shape. And the most important part, and in my opinion it is quite interesting, that it has extremely high ground clearance, and it is some kind of crossover that is the flagship of this company. Quite interesting decision and quite interesting solution, don't you think so? So let's continue with other updates. So Lee introduced NIO's in-house developed AD chip NX9031. It's NIO's first 5nm AD chip and the first automotive big little 32-core CPU dedicated AD chip. So, and in my opinion, this is a very enhanced technology. And with this technology, NIO might be one of the leaders of this industry, the industry of chips for auto manufacturers. Next one. NX9031 will strengthen our competitive edge in ADAS and automotive driving. NIO's SkyOS and NX9031 chip will go live on ET9. So this is the first vehicle where this chip will be implemented. Next one. NIO ET9 will run on 900-volt architecture. And here's some stats of this vehicle. 925 volts HV architecture, 600 kWh peak charging power, 765 peak charging current. All values are highest in the world, Lee says. So, ET9 will feature in-house developed 1200 SiC module. ET9, some stats for the vehicle. Let me quote you further. Skyride, new intelligent chassis system introduced. And here's some stats of this chassis, and I have to say that everything that you can see right here, drive-by-wire chassis, full active suspension and rear wheel steering. All these features has the latest, basically the only vehicle. It is the Tesla's Cybertruck. So, it is what it is. In this part of NIO's presentation, they are not the leaders, because Cybertruck already hit the roads, but nevertheless, I have to say that this presentation is quite interesting, and I have to say that the information that you can find on the NIO Day might be quite useful, but definitely it is not the short-term catalyst. That is why you have to be cautious with its upcoming movements, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what to expect next? Well, I have to say that I don't see that NIO might go higher in upcoming week. Let me show you that I made this projection for my friend, and here is the price action that potentially might be on the table for the upcoming week. And this price action is nothing else but the consolidation phase, and basically the retracement right after this quite impressive movement to the upside, during which this asset gained about 26% within just 6 days. And it has to have some kind of cool down and somewhere lower if it breaks this previous bottom, the bottom of the A wave. If it is the case, we might anticipate the trend reversal. And definitely I will do another update in order to show you my thoughts in regards to this asset. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm